Success hugs you in private, failure slaps you in public. That's life, said Elon Musk. The G20 Leaders Summit will be held virtually on November 21 and 22, Saudi Arabia said on Monday. The summit will focus on protecting lives and restoring growth by addressing vulnerabilities uncovered during the pandemic. It added, the G20 has contributed over $21 billion to support the production, distribution and access to diagnostic, therapeutics and vaccine, it further said. CatQ virus from China has the potential to cause disease in India. Scientists at the ICMR have found that the CatQ virus, largely reported in China and Vietnam, has the potential to cause disease in India. Found in pigs and Culex mosquitoes, CQV can cause febrile illness, meningitis and pediatric encephalitis in humans. Antibodies for the virus were found in 2 of the 883 human serum samples tested in India. The global death toll from coronavirus rose to over 10 lakhs on Monday, according to an AFM tally. The US is the worst coronavirus hit country with over 2 lakhs deaths, followed by Brazil at over 1.41 lakh and India at over 95,000. COVID-19 has infected over 3.3 crore people across the world, it added. Australian biotech company Enna Respiratory has said a nasal spray that it is developing to improve human immune system to fight common cold and flu significantly reduced coronavirus growth in a recent study on animals. INNA 051 reduced COVID-19 viral replication by up to 96% in ferrets, the company said. The study was led by British government agency Public Health England. Government launches web portal on India's COVID-19 vaccine efforts. Health Minister Harshvardhan today launched a new web portal about the country's COVID-19 vaccine efforts. Available on Indian Council of Medical Research website, it will create awareness among the masses and will let users access information on COVID-19 vaccine research development and clinical trials. Eventually, it will display information on all vaccines used to prevent various diseases. Best save I've seen in my life, said Sachin, reacting to KXIP's Nicholas Pooran's 6 saving efforts against RR. Ex-Indian batsman Sachin Tendulkar tweeted, "Best save I've seen in my life, simply incredible." Pooran had also received standing ovation from KXIP fielding coach John D. Rhodes following his effort. Pooran had leaped to full length over the rope to collect the ball and flicked it back into play immediately. Google said it has removed 17 apps that were infected with the Joker malware from the Play Store. Joker malware is the malicious software which can steal user data, device information and sign up user for premium services without their consent. The apps were mostly scanner, messaging and editing apps and had 120,000 downloads cumulatively. Washington state agencies hit with ongoing cyber attack in US. Many of Washington state agencies in the US has been hit with the multifaceted cyber attacks that has infested them with sophisticated malware, Bloomberg reported. The attack has already lasted for over a week but hasn't impacted the election system. Secretary of State Kim Wyman's office had already said they were aware of an active cyber threat facing government entities. A 46-year-old zookeeper in Madrid has been hospitalized after she was attacked by a 200 kg gorilla. The authorities said the incident took place when the keeper with 19-year experience accessed the indoor facilities, which is a secure area with a triple door, for a usual breakfast routine. It's yet to be ascertained how the 29-year-old gorilla accessed the secure area. NASA and HeroX have launched What's on the Moon challenge to seek ideas that will help NASA's moon missions to keep running even in the absence of the solar energy. The challenge will be conducted in phases and will offer winning teams up to $5 million in total prizes. Individual participants will have to be US citizens or permanent US residents. One of the rarest of rare birds, the kakapo. If you want to download a YouTube video, just add SS to the URL between www. and YouTube. The wedding ring goes on the left ring finger because it is the only finger with the vein that connects to the heart. Japan successfully tested a flying car off the ground for the first time ever. Japan will start its production from 2022. SBI and Titan launch India's first contactless payment watch. The new range of payment watches is named Titan Pay. Thank you for watching. I hope